In order to understand accrued liabilities, we need to first understand different methods of accounting. There are two methods of accounting. First is accrual basis of accounting, second is cash basis of accounting. Under accrual basis of accounting, revenue is recorded in the period in which they are earned, even if the customer has not paid yet. Whereas in cash basis of accounting, revenue is recorded in the period where actual cash is received. For example, company has sold a product in the month of April, but customer has paid for that product in the month of May. Under accrual basis of accounting, sales will be recorded in the month of April when it was earned. Whereas under cash basis of accounting, sales will be recorded in the month of May when actual cash was received. Same goes for expenses. Under accrual basis of accounting, expenditures are recorded in the period when they are incurred, even when they are not paid yet. Whereas under cash basis of accounting, expenditures are recorded in the period where actual cash is paid out. For example, company has incurred an expenditure in the month of April and company has paid for that expenditure in the month of June. Under accrual basis of accounting, expenditures shall be recorded in the month of April, that is period in which it was incurred. And under cash basis of accounting, expenditures shall be recorded in the month of June, that is period in which it was paid. In order to summarize, under accrual basis of accounting, revenue and expenditure are recognized and recorded in the period when they occur. Whereas under cash basis of accounting, revenue and expenditure are recognized and recorded in the period when cash is received or paid out. Most of the companies are following accrual basis of accounting. When company is following accrual basis of accounting, company need to calculate accrued liabilities and provision at the end of each accounting period. Now let us try to understand the concept of accrued liability with an example. Let's say company's accounting period end on 31st December 2020. There will be certain expenditures which are incurred in the month of December 2020, but invoice of those expenditures will be received in the month of January 2021. For example, electricity expenditure. Electricity which is consumed in the month of December 2020, invoice of this consumption will be received in the month of January 2021. As per accrual basis of accounting, expenditure are to be recorded in the period in which they are incurred. Thus, company need to recognize and record electricity expenditure in the month of December 2020. Journal entry to record electricity expenditure and create accrued liability in the month of December 2020 will be electricity expenditure account debit, expense payable account credit. Now in the month of January 2021, we shall first reverse the entry of accrued liability and then we will enter the invoice of supplier which we have received in the month of January 2021. Expense payable account debit, electricity expenditure account credit. Electricity expenditure account debit to creditor or bank account credit. This is how we make sure that the expenditure is recorded in the accounting period in which they are incurred. Electricity account is debited and credited in the month of January 2021. That is how both the accounts are getting set off with each other. Another good example of accrued liability is interest on loan. Let's say interest on loan for the month of December 2020 will be calculated by our lender in the month of January 2021. So we'll be receiving the invoice in the month of January 2021. So in this example also, company need to create accrued liability in the month of December 2020, that is interest expense account debit, expense payable account credit. And company shall reverse accrued liability in the month of January 2021, that is expense payable account debit to interest expenditure account credit. Now company shall receive invoice from lender in the month of January 2021. So company need to enter the invoice, that is interest expenditure account debit to creditor or bank account credit. An accrued liability shall appear in balance sheet under current liabilities section.